Here's a quick tutorial for using your free credit to access Online Storyteller, our narrative-based web application from OneLifeTools. Find your unique code in the email we sent you. Go to onelifetools.com/code. Log in with your unique code. The free credit sets you up as a client or end user. You'll follow the 12-step process to complete this self-directed narrative assessment. Helping professionals also use this tool in live sessions with clients or individual students, adults, or employees in a workplace. As a helping professional, coach, counselor, or specialist, you can explore this tool in as little as 10 to 15 minutes. Simply use the skip button to see the steps without having to respond to all the questions. To get the full experience, you can complete the entire self-directed narrative assessment, or SDNA for short. Set aside about 60 minutes to answer all the questions yourself. Once you explore and fully complete the SDNA, you can generate a customized conversation guide. It summarizes all the information, stories, reflection insights, and exploration plans you created during the 12 steps. It also poses 15 open-ended questions to deepen clarification and accelerate exploration. A bonus section helps you adapt results for LinkedIn, resumes, job applications, interviews, and networking. When you finish the SDNA, you then gain access to the full Online Storyteller and its cool tools and features. You can explore all the features a user would see if you were working with them, including dashboard, clarification sketch, storyline, getting feedback, statement, and exploration plans. Special features support your work as a helping professional. For example, you can add in your own branding and resources, things like your confidentiality agreement or links to blog posts, podcasts, worksheets, and videos. You can also create customized emails to be sent out by the system. Explore Online Storyteller and imagine how it can apply to your work. Consider how it can expand your reach and increase your impact. Once done, we'd love to chat and share our experiences with you. Reach out to us and book a call or live demo. Or join our co-founder, Mark Franklin, and other helping professionals like you in our free live monthly webinar. Learn more at onelifetools.com and sign up on our website for a free trial. Within the OneLifeTools YouTube page, find more videos of Online Storyteller, including an overview of our evidence-based narrative method of practice.